All right, so let's look at how to add metadata to your PDFs and why exactly does this help when you upload your PDFs to web. The specific benefit out of this is search engine optimization, so that when you upload a number of PDFs to your web content, it could be help support any of the documents that are uploaded out there in web. You make it easier for people to search and find them. Yeah. So this is our objective. Let's look at how to do that. I have a PDF file right here and I have uploaded this in my website. So let's look at the metadata and see how good does that work. This is the latest version of Adobe Acrobat. So if you have the older version, it's the navigation is same. Instead of clicking on menu here, you would click on file and select this option called document properties. So menu, document properties, you need to be under this tab called description. Then click on this button, additional metadata. Most of the metadata fields are already filled here. Author is missing, so let's add something here. I'm just going to write my name. Okay, your document title is nothing but how you would like your document to be identified as. Write the author's name, a description, keywords separated by commas. Then if you want it copyrighted, I'll tell you the benefits of adding all this stuff. You have your copyright status and the actual notice, copyright notice, and if it is linked to our website, just add the website over here. So all of these are, how do I say this, elements that help optimize your document. You can use any of these. Let's, for example, for the purpose of this tutorial, let's go with maybe the document title and the author name. Let's combine these two and search in the web if we can find this document. Yeah. So this is how you do it. You just, all of these fields are editable. Just edit them, fill up the fields and click OK once again. Okay. Let's go with these two, title and author. Let me copy one. I'll remember the other one. Okay. Then save the document. I have this exact document uploaded in my website with the similar metadata that I have filled. No changes. Let's go to the browser and see if we can find this document by using a search engine. What was the title that we gave as metadata? Draft user manual and the author name. There you go. In fact, the first result, I didn't expect that, but yep. The first result is the document that I just showed you right here. There you go. This is not the sole purpose of metadata. It helps engine understand the hidden details of the document, whether it be copyright information. It always can relate to the details. That's why it is called as metadata. So yeah, if you are someone who's publishing your documentation as PDF, this is a straightforward task that you can accomplish. Just fill the metadata. In fact, if you're authoring content in MS Word, you have the option to fill metadata right in MS Word itself, and when you convert it to PDF, it automatically absorbs the details from MS Word. In fact, any other software that you use for authoring, just find a place where it allows you to input the metadata. If you want to check out how you can add metadata in MS Word, I'll just leave a link. Check it out. So this is something that I thought would be beneficial for writers out there. I started doing this since a year. The results were promising. So yeah, that's how you do it, and that's why you do it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.